A new mobile app has been formally introduced to coffee farmers. Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Audley Shaw says this app will help increase the yields of farmers, secure markets, as well as help them to get advice from experts in the industry. We have more in this report.
The app has already been used by more than a dozen farmers. It provides them with information on the best practices in coffee farming. Adam McGrath, who says he has been using the app for more than 7 months, says it's very useful.
The main thing that has impressed me with the app, I would say, is the interaction between other farmers. So basically, if we have an issue, we can get an answer right there, as well as the videos that show you how to do a certain task.
Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw says farmers need to have access to more technology that aids farming.
It's a simple but elegant system of embracing small farmers, using technology to bring information to them on a consistent, timely basis, so that if they follow the thing rigidly and are inspired by it, it will lift the productivity levels of our farmers. Small farmers right now, typically in the Blue Mountain region, some of them are getting 15 boxes, 20 boxes per acre, right? The more developed and more sophisticated guys are getting 60 and 70 boxes. Some of them are getting 100 boxes. So what the plan here is, we want to lift the productivity for everybody. And this initiative is an excellent platform on which we can begin that process.
Mr. Shaw says that the app is likely to help farmers secure better prices for their crops as they become exposed to more markets.
We have a linkage here in this project where you're using technology to lift the yield. If you can lift the yield, the price considerations become less and less because it is surmounted by output.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.